Let's recreate Alia's look. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer for concealing my under eyes, and then I'll directly go on to the foundation. I'll take two pumps and blend it with a wet beauty blender. Keep your base very natural and seal it with a MAC powder because Alia's look was very natural, so we don't want to overdo it. Bronze blush for that very natural finish. Now I'm using a powder because I want my eyebrows to be very soft. Don't make them very strong because the look will change drastically. You see that line? I hate it. Please blend it always. For the eyes, I'm only using soft brown shade to contour my eyes. That's it. Then use a good mascara to open your eyes, like a good 2-3 coats of mascara. Then the highlight of this look, you'll see Alia wearing thick kajal. So give very good coat of like waterproof kajal, like 2-3 layers, but always fix it with a black powder. You don't want to become a panda at the end of the day. Then comes the Gangubai's danger mark. Use a very precise line for that. Use a nude shade to complete the look. I hope you guys loved the recreation.